Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycles with a deep look at an exciting new 300cc fire-ring motorbike that's making waves. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike has something for everyone. Let's get into it. Cut to standing beside the bike. First up, let's talk about the key features. This 300cc engine is the heart of the bike, offering a perfect balance between power and efficiency. It's got a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces a smooth and responsive ride. You'll get around 30 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, which is impressive for a bike in this class. Close-up shots of the engine, exhaust, and bike starting, the performance is where this bike really shines. The throttle response is crisp, and the bike accelerates smoothly, making it perfect for both city commutes and weekend adventures. With the top speed of around 100 miles per hour, it's no slouch either. Plus, the 6-speed transmission ensures you have the right gear for every situation, providing a versatile riding experience. Shots of the bike cruising on the road, various angles. Now, let's talk about the design. This bike is a head-turner with its sleek, modern look. The aerodynamic fairings not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also improve performance by reducing drag. The LED headlights and taillights ensure you're visible on the road, day or night. Close-ups of the fairings, headlights, and overall bike design. Comfort is key, especially for longer rides, and this bike doesn't disappoint. The seat is ergonomically designed, offering great support. The riding position strikes a good balance between sportiness and comfort, making it ideal for both short trips and long journeys. Sitting on the bike, showing riding position, and seat, let's not forget about the technology packed into this machine. It features a fully digital instrument cluster, giving you all the essential information at a glance. From speed and fuel level to gear position and trip meters, everything is easy to read and navigate. Close-up of the digital instrument cluster, shots of it in use. Safety is paramount, and this bike comes equipped with ABS, anti-lock braking system, providing better control during sudden stops. The disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels ensure strong and reliable braking performance. Shots of the bike braking, close-ups of the disc brakes and ABS system host. One of the unique selling points of this bike is its versatility. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle for new riders, yet powerful enough to satisfy experienced motorcyclists. Plus, with the fuel efficiency of around 60 miles per gallon, it's economical to run, making it a great choice for everyday use. Shots of the bike being maneuvered easily, filling up at a gas station host. In summary, this 300cc fire-ring motorbike offers a blend of performance, style, and practicality. It's a fantastic option whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a bike for those weekend getaways. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle, this one should definitely be on your radar. Final shots of the bike riding into the sunset host. Thanks for joining us for this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and tips. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.